Hello, Gareth here, and I'm outside by my local river. Sorry, I haven't got my earplugs, so the wind is very noisy. I've just painted this river scene. Wow, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? That looks better than my painting. I'll have to take a photo of that in a minute. I've just finished doing my painting of this river scene. Yeah, I added that man. He wasn't really there, but I think it works. But anyway, I want to just, how do I put it? Show you my outdoor painting equipment. Oh, what a fantastic shadow. So here we go. I'll try and keep this simple. So first of all, you need a backpack, a big kind of camping backpack with lots of pockets. This is mine. So Mac Pack, I don't know, but it's really, really good. Then you need a big plastic bag with a zipper to put your stuff in. And I have a small pad, but that doesn't actually fit in here. Just put it in my backpack. Then you've got a palette, and my palette is actually full of colours, but you don't need many colours. But there's my palette. It's got a lid, and you can also lock it. And then big water bottle, then a spray bottle, and then I've got just 3 brushes, a mop, a bamboo brush, and a liner brush, and they go in that this plastic brush container, so the heads don't get damaged with that. And then over here I've got like my water bucket that hangs from my easel, and this also adds some weight to the easel, which is a big deal if it's windy. I use a small spiral bound pad with clips at the bottom because I find that doesn't buckle, really doesn't buckle. I find that pads buckle and the whole thing gets ruined. And I've got an easel here. This was so cheap. I think this cost like, I don't know, how much was it? I don't know, but it was pretty cheap. $50 or $100, but it's good. I've got my rag here, and I've got that clip down because of the wind, so just a rag. And then I've got some tissue, and it's good to separate them into little balls because you don't want a huge amount like that and have them in your pocket. So separate them into individual balls. And then I've got a pencil, and I don't really care what kind of pencil I use because when I'm outside I'm not really doing much drawing, just a few marks. So, and here's my bicycle, gold of course, nothing else will do, but it's good fun to get on your bicycle. Did I say bike? I don't know what I said, but bicycle anyway. And I put my easel in here, and my backpack goes on my back, and that's everything. I mean, there's other things like sunglasses are good, some kind of top like that, silly hat like this with a wide brim that keeps people away, and a small sketchbook like that, because sometimes while you're waiting for the paint to dry, you get ideas, or you see another scene you want to paint, and you can go ahead and do it. So I think that's basically everything. I don't use an eraser, to be honest, but I guess you could get one of those kneadable eraser things, or just an eraser. I'm wearing a woolly hat, and I've got quite a thick top on, and 2-layer pants, but that's because it's winter time. But obviously if you're going quite far away, then you need waterproof stuff as well, anoraks, things like that. But I think that's more or less everything. And of course, if you're going really far away, then you should tell somebody where you're going, because I think we've all watched that movie where that guy gets his hand stuck in a crack and has to basically, I don't think he eats his hand off, does he? But he has to basically rip it off or tear it off, which is not something you want to do. So no, but I once got stuck on a mountain. So these things do happen, especially the more you go out into the countryside. But hey, this video is not about going into the wilds. It's just about the basics, the minimum tools that you need for outdoor watercolor painting. I hope you find it useful. That's all. Bye for now.